Hello, and I'm here today to show you our first ever review, and we have this new product which has been handed by our good friends at DNA Toys. So let's open it up and see what we got. So we have the Batwing Performance Stunt Drone. This gives you the chance to fly a bat in the air, in the garden, outside, wherever. This is your chance to truly explore and feel part of the Batman universe. It has 360-degree stunt rolls, 3 speed settings, and uses switchblade technology. So let's open up this product. So we've unboxed the product, and here we have some things. So this looks like to me the controller for the Batwing. So it looks quite cool. You know, you have like the joysticks here, you've got different settings for it. So overall, I can't wait to use this. It looks like a good controller. Now here is the Batwing itself. So we will have to put this together and see exactly what it does. But yeah, I'm excited to use it, and let's do this. So now let's check this box here, which has some components for the actual Batwing. We have the propellers. This looks like an important piece of kit, so I can't wait to use these on the product. To me, this looks like something that goes on the Batwing itself, so obviously we'll see that. And to be honest, everything in here really is for the product, right? This is a charger for the Batwing. This is really important because you have to charge it every time you use it, so make sure that you look after this. And this looks like some type of extra grip for the remote, I guess, so that's good to have there. So put them all there, and the final thing we've got here is the paperwork. So we've got warnings about the actual product to make sure that you're at least 50 meters, that it's safe. Very important to have. So that's all the information there. And most importantly, we have the instruction booklet. This is the most important thing because it teaches you how to put the product together and how to use it right. Because when you buy a product, use it properly, have the most fun, and enjoy. So now, let's get to work. So here we are. We have the Batwing stunt drone here, the controller here. So let's go outside and test it. So we're outside, so let's test out the Batwing stunt drone. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, this is insane. This is insane right now. Oh my god, let's change. Right, this is speed setting 2. So here we go. Nice and calm. Good start. Cool. Right, speed setting 3. Very cool, guys. This is very cool. It goes really high, surprisingly. I didn't think it would go that high. It's mad. Let's bring it down, let's bring it down, let's bring it down. So now we have my mate Brandon to test out the product. Let's see how it flies. So there we have it. We have tested out the Batman Performance Stunt Drone, and I have to say it's a really, really good product. You know, it was a lot of fun to test out. I was really surprised of how high it can actually go. It was crazy. I mean, you could hear. I was in shock at times. It was crazy. I mean, it's got a nice controller. It's got 3 different speed settings, which was also fun. It is well protected with this harness, and overall, you know, it is loads of fun. You know, it's summer now. It's nice outside, so if you're up for fun and you want something to do, buy the Batman Performance Stunt Drone, because honestly, this was a lot of fun, and I rate it 5 out of 5. And there you have it, the Batwing Performance Stunt Drone. If you like the look of this product, then why don't you pop on down to DNA Toys at the Pentagon in Chatham. For more information, just call the number 01634 40 88 08.